Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you how to download extensions using Mrs. Browser. Someone asked me earlier today how to get extensions on Mrs. Browser and the installation process. So this video is for you. So the first step is you need to make sure you've downloaded Mrs. Browser from Google Play Store. This is Mrs. You can see the logo. So you search your Play Store or your App Store for this. So while you are on Mrs. Browser, let me show. Okay, while you are on Mrs. Browser, let's go to a home page, like a new tab. So when you open your Mrs. Browser, you should see something like this. Like this is like a default page. So for you to install an extension, you select these three dots at the top right corner of my screen, and then you scroll down. You can see extension right here. Select extension. Now while the extension is open, if you have an extension installed before now, you will see them here. If not, you want to download an extension from Chrome Web Store, you select this plus from store and you tap on that, and this should take you straight to Chrome Web Store for extensions. So this is Chrome Web Store, and this is the store for extensions. So you come to the top here where you have search extension and theme, and this is where you search for whatever extension you need. Let me search for Oasis. Actually the name is Distribute AI. So this distributes AI. So for instance, I want to install this extension, the Distribute AI. I'm going to select it. Now while it is open, you come to this corner here, you will see Add to Chrome. You can see Distribute AI. So I select Add to Chrome, and it should ask me this, and I'll select OK. I've been using this on my laptop instead. I've not installed it on Mrs. Browser. I'm just trying that today. So please enable this browser feature to continue earning. So let me check this. What do you want me to? So I'm going to enable, relaunch. So what else? New assembly. Click on new assembly. So I'm going to enable this as well, and then relaunch. Then I'll open again. So by this time the Distribute AI should be working perfectly. So let me open this and see. So that's how you install an extension using Kiwi browser. So let me just log into my account.